Is it too late to plant this? I don't know. So my helpers and I are gonna put this in here. Here we go. That's a nice stick you have there. Hey, Spiker. Hi, Andy. How are you? Ooh, that's bright. Not complaining. It's December 11th, 12th. It's in the middle of December. I'm supposed to have my garlic in a lot earlier. I put a bed in over there, but you know me, I always think it's, here go the knuckleheads. I always think I have more time than I do. Like you. I dumped a bunch of leaf mold from my neighbor, super great guy, good friend of mine. And I just kind of dumped it in this bed, and then I stuck my hand in the bed the other day, and it's not frozen. Because of the climate crisis and the planet warming, I think I have a little more time. So I'm scooping off. I just put a big dump of it here, and there's too much for the garlic, so I'm gonna pull off some of that and, put it somewhere else. What are you doing? This is the bed of garlic that I got. Well, it's obvious since it's a bed of garlic. I got the garlic planted in this bed, and then, I don't know, modern life got in the way. I wanted to plant that bed as well. I cover them with plastic after I harvest whatever else it is to knock down the number of weeds. But this is, aside from some paw prints, I'm still trying to figure out how to keep them. When they play, they run across this, and that's not good. The garlic is snoozing away in here. Question is, can we get away with sticking it in there? A couple of years ago, I made a video, link to it at the end, and it failed because I had snow on the ground and I put the garlic in and the garlic rotted. So this is sleeping. Can we get the other bed in? What do you think, Spiker? You gonna help me plant? I like this cart. This cart came with my house. I fixed a couple of pieces of plywood, and it's great. Garlic loves nitrogen, and manure has nitrogen in it, and I happen to have 2 bags left. Happy accident, welcome to Eric's world. So yeah, this in here. What's up, my Andy? Huh? Oh, it's a big rock. There's still some little bit of frozen chunks in here, but we're gonna try this anyway. Because we're all about, hey, let's try this and see what happens. This is one of those. Is this your ball? That's a nice ball. You gonna give me the ball? You gonna give me the ball? This is a Hardneck European variety called Music. Nice. I think the Hardnecks grow best for me. I like the big cloves. And some people separate the cloves ahead of time. Look, you know what I do. I just take the cloves apart because I'm all about keep it simple, stupid. All right, so in the ground. For some reason, I got into garlic. I went to a garlic festival in Woodstock, New York, I think. I'm not quite sure. I just like the simplicity of this stuff. You plant it in the fall, you harvest it in the late summer. It just needs nitrogen and good soil, and it also makes a great gift. I give my friends garlic, and only a couple of them are allergic to garlic, so you just got to keep that in mind. You don't want to cause an allergic garlic Anyway, you know what I mean here. But this is, it's a simple and it's beauty and it's so quiet. You know, it's the summer is over. So, what am I like, the Walt Whitman of garlic here? Want to spend some more time together? Floating over here, maybe some more videos. I also have a podcast, link is below. Watch, they'll disappear. I'll see you in the next video. Right there, and right there. Oh, thank you.